Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select password and security, and here click on fingerprint. Click on continue then, and at first set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be numeric code, pattern, or alphanumeric code. I will choose pattern, then re-enter this pattern just to confirm. And now let's place your fingerprint on the sensor. Just keep tapping until it's fully added. And that's it. Then just click on done, and you just switch off face unlock, and from now on you can unlock your device either with this backup pattern that we set or with entered fingerprint. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.